Now coming to how to draft an advertisement, today we are going to learn how to draft a classified ad. You see here the classified column of the newspaper, where classified ads, they are categorized under different headings. You all must have seen in the newspaper these classified ads. So we are going to learn today how to draft a classified ad. So what is a classified ad? A classified advertisement is written by an employer who is looking for the service of a person in his organization, or to sell, purchase, rent any property, or for any other purpose. So the advertiser is individual advertiser. Fine. Who is looking for a service, or who is intending to sell, purchase, rent. Now the types of classified ads, they come under different headings. Take for instance situation vacant. It is written by an employer who is looking for services of a person in his organization, offering job. Then situation wanted. This is written by a job seeker. Take for instance, you are a coach and you need to offer your service as a coach. So you would be giving advertisement under situation vacant. For sale. Written in attempt to sell property, assets, office, goods. If you want to sell your house or car, so you are going to give an advertisement and the category would be for sale. To let, by a person who is looking for tenants in his or her property for rent. Accommodation wanted, written by one looking for a place for accommodation. Matrimonial ads, we see looking for prospective brides or groom, wanted bride, wanted bridegroom. Missing, this is written in case of any object, person, pet goes missing. It also comes under lost and found. If something you have lost, some papers you have lost, you would be writing under lost and found. Fine. Then points to remember. There are certain points to remember when you are drafting an advertisement. The format is rectangular or square. On the top, you have to specify the category according to the requirement which we discussed earlier. One has to be brief. Only significant points have to be mentioned. It should not be spread out. You have to write in running lines. It will be shown to you. Information has to be abbreviated. Short forms is acceptable. Towards the end, contact address, telephone number, email address can also be given. Once again, it should not be incomplete sentences. Now let us look at this ad. A travel agency wants office assistant draft an advertisement in about 50 words for the classified column of Times of India. So on the top you will write the category situation vacant. It will be in block capital letters and it will be enclosed in a box. Wanted what? An office assistant. The job post is office assistant. For the organization, Gupta Travel Agency. The qualifications: possessing good command over written English. Working knowledge of computer is essential. Salary is given. Apply with complete biodata, passport size photograph. Last date of applying is also mentioned. Contact Gupta Travels, address and phone number is given. Now let us look into this another example. On the top, sale and purchase. interested in purchasing a 2-room flat in a housing society in AK Nagar, Gwalior. The rooms should be spacious, well ventilated with modular kitchen, good construction and ground floor preferred. It must have a parking facility. Contact. The address is given and phone number. You see that this advertisement is in a block. On the top, category is mentioned. And towards the end, contact is given. The information is in running lines. Sentences are not complete. Now let us look into another advertisement, classified ad, accommodation wanted. For immediate purpose, a house in the heart of Bengaluru city with 3-bedroom attached baths, a drawing-cum-dining room with family lounge, price around 70 to 80 lakhs. Corner property will be most suitable. Bona fide owners and dealers may please contact. Addresses given. Accommodation wanted means you require a house. You want to buy a house. Then situation vacant. Delhi Public School Panipat requires PGT, TGTs, PRTs for its upcoming session. Candidate should have good command on the subject, excellent communication skill, pleasing personality, sanguine approach to teach students, essential qualification required for the post, walk-in interview, last date is mentioned, and contact. Phone number is given. For sale, another example, Maruti Suzuki Zen is available for sale. 900cc, new tires, scratchless body, description is given, insured with all required documents, inbuilt music system, run 15,000 kilometers, single-handed, mint condition for rupees 1 lakh only. Interested buyers may contact the name of the person who is selling and his phone number, email ID, or meet personally after 5 o'clock in the evening. Then here you find ads of under matrimonial column. Wanted groom, wanted bride. Anshik Manglik, handsome Mathur, 28 years, 6'3" boy, family business, seeks educated, non-working, only Mathur girl. Then phone number and email is given. And you can see another ad which is wanted bride. This comes under matrimonial column. Then classified category lost and found. Lost and found, I, Uday Singh Bharadwaj, son of, address is given, lost, CBSE mark sheet and certificate, roll number is given, year is given, finder, contact is stated. Then this is some necessary information, a sort of a card for you, a chart for you to help you get an idea about what points you must write when you are framing an advertisement. Under different categories. Situation vacant, specify post and number of vacancies, qualities of the person required, that is qualification, name of the company, age, sex of the candidate, pay scale and perks, mode of applying, and lastly, contact address. For lost and found, begin with lost and found, description of the article, when and where the article was lost, found, reward for finding it, it can be, may not, or may be. Then contact address and phone number. Then to-let, types of accommodation, number of rooms, whether it is independent or an apartment, rent expected, type of tenant required. Sometimes the person who is letting out his house on rent has preferences. So you can give your preferences. Whom and when to contact, contact address, phone number. Kennel, the breed of dog, age, color, training, price expected, contact address and phone number. Then vehicles for sale, make, brand, model, then condition, ownership details, price expected, contact address and phone numbers. Packers and movers, specify the service, give reason why you should be given a chance to give the service, area of work, whom to contact, contact address and phone number. So I hope you have now learnt how to draft an advertisement. Now exam specification, which is very important. It comes under short composition. Question number 3. Word limit is 50 words. Format, which includes the box, then the heading, that comes under format. The category, then content, the body of your advertisement. Then expression is fluency and accuracy. That is 1 mark. So total marks allotted for classified ad is 4 marks. So students, I hope you all have understood how to draft a classified ad. Now you will be given an assignment based on classified ad. If you have any query related to classified ad, you can post them in the group. And at the same time, tomorrow we are going to take up how to draft a display ad. Thank you, class.